What's good, everyone? In this video, I want to talk about a trade we took today inside Team Bull, and this trade was based off my data spy trading strategy. But before we get started, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Okay, let me go into a little bit of detail about this. I have another video I'll leave in the description that is talking about this in depth, this exact strategy. First, I only use this strategy when we have data released pre-market. I like to see a nice gap above prior day close. I like to be way up above it or way down below it. In this case, we're way up above it. Let's talk about this trade. Okay, this was the opening 5-minute candle right here. What I like to see is a push. When we have data, we have strength. I like to identify where prior day close is, which is way down here. What happens? I back tested this. This is my own strategy I come up with, and it's worked the last 4 to 5 times, I believe now. I'll have to check to be sure on that. But anyways, I like to push up. I like to see a little push up off the open, ideally up to pre-market highs. But I started adding right here at the top of this candle. I said, okay, if we push on up, I'll add the remainder of my position here, which never happened, which is okay. We had a nice push down. Contract moved decent. I was trading 0 DTEs. I think my first trim was around $20 to $30 per contract, if I remember right. Then we held through all this chop. I had this drawn out. I could tell it was kind of, flagging out a little here, kind of bear flagging, if you will. We finally broke, and my last sell was right here at the bottom of this candle. Called this out inside Team Bull. A lot of members did really well on this. Be sure to check out the gains section in there to see what they made off this trade. Super simple. I did get out completely here because I didn't get my full size in. I trimmed twice prior to this move here. And on this final push down, I got out on the remainder of my position. I do see a second potential entry here for a short, which I did mention before I got off bullish inside Team Bull. And honestly, we could still see this push down to this 410.6. That would have been my final price target. Either way, beautiful trade. If it turns around and versus right now, it was an amazing trade. Did exactly what I wanted it to do. And that's all I have for this video. Super simple and straight to the point. Appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.